All right, friends, this is your schedule for Friday, May 21st. I did not have a chance to go over with you the schedule for today in class. So I'm going to review it all in this video. So in the morning, our math is going to be on the coordinate system. I'd like you to watch the video that I have linked here. And then I'd like you to complete on IXL 5th grade math T3, T4, and T5 with at least a SMART score of 80. You are going to get 3 points for completing each one of those on IXL. Once you do, I will go in and grade those. So please make sure you complete that. That is a graded assignment. For language arts, you are to complete 2 IXL language arts recommendations with a SMART score of 80. Many of you are saying that you need to update your diagnostic. Please feel free to do that if you need new recommendations. After a while, it may want you just to do a refresher to update that. You will be given a grade for completing 2 of these tasks. IXL must be language arts. You cannot do IXL math. It's got to be language arts. You'll get some points for completing 2 assignments, 80 or more. I would like you to finish reading your Bob book. 4th book is due after intercession. Our Zoom at 9:30 is practice Bob questions. And then in the afternoon for social studies, I have an assignment for you on government based on our conversations recently about the Constitution. You're going to click this link. It'll take you to Google Classroom. I have 2 videos I'd like you to watch. The first one is what is the executive branch? The next one is a recording that I made going over this assignment in detail. So please watch the executive branch video, then the assignment tutorial, followed by completing the assignment. This is a 9-point graded assignment. You do need to complete that. Special, it's Free Choice Friday. And then in the afternoon, you have Zern. Lesson 20 is due by the end of the week. I will be available if you get stuck on Zern and you need some assistance. Please just email me. I would be happy to do a Zoom with you, and I would be happy to have you share your screen and walk you through the process. If you have any questions, please don't be afraid to reach out. Today is technically our last day before our intercession break that I know we're all looking forward to. Good luck, and reach out if you have any questions.